In this video, I'll show you how you can add a screenshot to your Microsoft Word. Now first you want to open up your Word and go to Insert, and from in here you'll see one that says Screenshot. Now if you open it right here, you'll see this is my opened. I have the League of Legends right here, and if I minimize it, as you can see, it will not be in here anymore. So if I open it and don't minimize or close it, and I just select like this, then it's open in the background and it can detect it. So you can also do that with Steam. Don't minimize it, just click on the word and don't minimize it, just do this, and it will also be detected in here. Then simply you press on it. Now it's the league. But another thing you can do is also press screenshot and then screen clipping. When you press on this, it will do like this, and you select a part and it will add it. So that's basically how you can do it in Word, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.